Hey, management, are you looking for that natural glow, that firm skin, getting long nails, and unbelievable hair growth that you can't believe? Gore ke wena o odliwang so? Well, look no further because Spark Agro Life Collagen is here for you. What are you waiting for? This is not just another beauty product. It's pure hydrolyzed type 1 and 3 collagen blend that works from the inside out, giving you smoother skin, stronger hair and nails, flexible joints, and a body that simply feels younger. You can take it every morning or evening with your coffee, smoothie, soft porridge, or even savory dishes. Now, if you are over 35 and above, this is your secret weapon. As we age, our collagen levels drop. That's when the fine lines, joint pains, and those early menopause effects start to show. But with Spark AgroLife Collagen, it helps you fight back, naturally restoring elasticity, cell rejuvenation, and cell strength from within. Here's what makes it even more special. Spark AgroLife is proudly South African and women led, built on organic wellness, and it truly works. No fillers, no gimmicks, just clean premium collagen your body actually needs. And because I want you to glow, my followers, as ngizoyenzani? I got an exclusive 15% off when you use my discount code USIMS, right? So never say that I don't plug you. Hurry up, this is a Black Friday special, so don't wait. Start building your glow from the inside and use my discount code SIMSRIGHT15 and start your journey with Spark AgroLife Collagen, available on the website down below. I will link all the information in the description box down below. Don't wait, don't hesitate. Start your glowing process. Yan ambukela kwinkqubo yami bomtaba kajadi bomtaba kagogo bomtaba ka-anti bomtaba kasisi. I am Sims and it's at the right Sims on Instagram, so please follow your sister. Don't forget that I also promote businesses and YouTube channels. What did we say? What did we say when they gave Katiso Mulivi that 400,000 rand bail? Did we not say that anyone that can afford 400,000 rand bail should be kept under the jail, especially when your current cases involve the attempt to remove someone from earth? And what is happening now? I'm not saying that these stories link. I'm just saying listen to me and connect the dots yourself. Allegedly. I'm a him bari bari but babua babua. It is alleged that Obab David, who recently just lost his life, Obab David Dembe was one of the most amazing policemen in the service, right? People have only good things to say. And one thing about Obab David Dembe, he despised corruption. He and Kwanazi drink from the same cup of tea that is called anti-corruption, right? It is alleged that he did not like the dealings of the likes of Ukatiso Noket Matala, therefore rebuking them. And the rumors, the hem-hems are saying that Obab David was going to testify against these Mkufefes of Mkiligitis, right? And all of a sudden, Bob David lost his life. He was alone at home. And when they could not get any response from him, trying to call him, even the maid tried to get a hold of him, but he was unresponsive.
Hello, Dumelang. My name is Tukiso Molefe. I'm David Dembe's daughter. This is to confirm that indeed our father has left us, and we'll keep you guys updated with the news as the planning goes. Thank you.
Now, we are going to wait for the post mortem, but it is alleged that he just collapsed. He was trying to go up the stairs. A healthy man that was using his own two legs for the longest time. Hardly any health issues and health scares. Chigi chigi kulugutu kum kum apa. Ne? Why is it that all of this is happening suddenly when is out on bail and is known for witnesses disappearing, working hand in hand with the ones in the crooked places. Speaking of the ones in the crooked places, that one of Cat Makala is supposed to appear in the ad, ad hoc. Oh, Angel Matsacha, your syllabus did not tell me that one day I would speak about ad hoc committee. Yes, because of the tenders he was allocated, that crooked of John Wick, aka Cat Makala. Ne? So this was a one-time special Black Friday deal that we were going to get as South Africans. Khuri, the committee is going under the jail there by Kgosi Mampuru to get Cat to account. It was supposed to happen yesterday, but then Cat is saying that he's not feeling good. He's not feeling well. Oh, he is not prepared. You are lying. You are lying. You are not just prepared, severely prepared, because you spend 23 hours a day with just your thoughts, with just yourself. I have met and dated people who have come out of the jail in less than 2 years, and they've read the Bible from start to finish, can quote any scripture. Mara, when you are underprepared, you're lying. Pella, this is your life you're going to account for. This is the tenders that you allegedly received, the blue lights that were scorching your wife, as if you guys worked deep in the Parliament of Cape Town. So now, what is making your brain foggy? What is making you not be able to be accountable for your actions? I need to be home when you allegedly removed people from Earth, attempted to remove people from Earth, misusing funds, taking money that is supposed to be for sick people, and then you use it to buy 74 same cars. Cat. 98 suits, identically the same, as in like the twins of your wardrobe. But now you are unwell, you can't, you're not prepared. You spend too much time by yourself in a day. You can align your thoughts and you can come and account to the committee, because we want to know how you were allocated those tenders, how you were given everything and anyone except for me. They never gave you me because I'm too fresh for you. I'm too fruit and veggie city for you. But how did you acquire everything else when I can't? Me, I have a few answers, but it's not for me to account for those answers. But Sindinga, you Katiso and Morgan Maumela, I need you exactly under the jail. It must not just be the basement, but beneath the submarine of the jail, next to the ocean. Yes, usihlukumezile. Wena nabangani bakho nisihlukumezile. Last year around this time, you were on Pagamo. It's like you were drinking Red Bull every hour. You were up there, wings. Wait. Now you are. Because in this journey of life, you don't know the color of tomorrow. Cat, I'm not feeling sorry for you. I'm not feeling anything for you. I'm worried about me because I'm reporting you. But you and your friends have showed us fire, and this is not alleged. The fire that the rampage and the rage that you have spewed over the South African people. What you did can never be didn't. What you did can never be didn't. So now we need you to get up, walk like a soldier to wherever you're walking to. Ne? Please. You must account. Why is Morgan not under the jail? What are we waiting for so that we can get Morgan Maumela under the jail? Yini le engaka investigatwayo efunwayo ebanjwayo uMorgan angekho etrongweni? Guys, is it because he is the estranged alleged cousin of Angela Ramaphosa, who is allegedly Cyril Ramaphosa's son? I say allegedly because Cyril, one thing he will do is deny even the fruits of his voice. Hey, the hard work of his 1 round, he is going to deny it. Please, but answers must come out.